Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Okay, so this video, I want to show you a strategy pocket guide from Bloomberg Markets on, forget the Canadian market, just on energy and a few other things. Came out last year in 2015 in June. This is really important to view because it gives you snapshots using the Bloomberg terminal, the professional terminal that you cannot get anywhere else from a geographic standpoint, from a charting standpoint, and this is a really good one. Let's say finding covered calls and opportunities, and it basically will walk you through the entire mindset of what a professional trader will go through to find market opportunities that you will not find online, you will not find in books, but it's only what the pros do. Okay, and it's a good learning lesson where this will just walk you through it. But of course, it's going to focus on the functionality of the Bloomberg terminal. But we all don't have access to it because it's a $5,000 a month service plus as you add on more services. But I just want you to get the idea that this is an amazing analysis idea, and also from a let's say call it a mortgage pool, as well as an investment opportunity that most people will not have access to. We've also got here seeking opportunities in offshore yuan, and it just guides you through how, again, a typical trader should go through the analysis using the Bloomberg terminal. Okay, so that's all cool. This book here, our magazine, is again Bloomberg Markets, but get the date. Where's my date? Where's my date? This is a much older, oh, there we go. So you see here the date is June 2012. Now, this is the reason why I really like Bloomberg and the whole notion of what this magazine's about, Bloomberg Markets. Okay, it's not so, I don't think they do this as much, but if you can get your hands onto basically back issues of Bloomberg, I'm going to show you why. This is really critical, because this is going to give you, again, trading edge. Just trying to find, okay, let me just find, should have set all this up, okay. These are what the hedge fund managers are doing. Tax tips for Globetrotters. This particular issue, 3-4 years ago. Here we go. This is what we want. This is what we want. Strategies from the pros. I think they still do this in the current issues, but this is where it's at. Okay. So this is a typical strategy. This hedge fund guy will talk about how he makes his money and whatever. Okay, but it gets really good. This is the headline you should be paying: finding clues in FX volatility. Again, same idea in that pocket guide I just walked you through, but I'm hoping you can pick up on what I'm trying to stress here, that you will not find any of this, and this will guide you what to look for in the markets as a trading idea and trading market opportunity. Totally different outlook and how it's done versus other sources that I've used. Okay, and here, streamlining FX options dealing, and it just goes on and on and on about it. Foreign exchange and all the different commands that are available in the Bloomberg Pro service. Hedging FX risk. Okay, again, what to look for. Following ETF flows. Can you imagine knowing this information from a professional in Bloomberg? But there you go, 4 articles, and I'm sure it's going to continue the research just in terms of ideas. This is very powerful information. But again, this is an older issue from June 2012. Again, I would highly recommend you to try to look for these kind of issues, back issues of Bloomberg Markets. Only magazine of its kind that enables you to get this, as well as that pocket guide I just showed you being here. Okay?